All right, hi everyone, my name is Alyssa and I am here at the Boonshaft Museum of Discovery in Dayton, Ohio. And today we're actually going to be meeting one of our animal ambassadors. Today I have my friend Sheila with me today. And Sheila is our Blue Tongued Skink. So if you look on the map behind me, she is actually from Australia, okay? So these guys are actually very common in Australia. They're actually often commonly found in backyards. So as a blue-tongued skink, Sheila is a reptile. So just like our snakes, turtles, and our Komodo dragons, these guys are reptiles, and that means that they're going to be covered in a dry, kind of scaly skin. So she is covered in scales, and unlike a snake, she is not going to actually shed her skin all at one time. Each of her scales will actually shed individually, so it does take a little bit of time for them to do that. She also has pretty short legs, so you're not going to see her running very fast anywhere or climbing any trees. Those little legs do allow her to move around. They just don't make her very fast or make her a good climber. She does have pretty sharp claws that allow her to dig into the ground, okay, because she does like to burrow into leaves and other things that she can hide under. She also has a really, really cool blue tongue. So that blue tongue is actually going to be used to scare away predators. So that is the reason they are called blue-tongued skinks, and for their tongues, they're actually going to use them. They're going to open their mouths really, really wide, and they're going to show that predator their blue tongue. And hopefully that predator is going to think it's pretty scary. They're not going to be expecting that animal to have a blue tongue. They may also think that it is poisonous, because a lot of times animals that are poisonous have brightly colored features. Okay? So they're going to use those tongues to help try to keep themselves safe. Now, she also does have ear holes on the sides of her head that you can see right here. All right, so she does have a sense of hearing. Most reptiles do. It's just for skinks so we can actually see where their ears are. And then looking at the back, her tail right here has a really, really cool adaptation. So an adaptation is something that allows an animal to better survive wherever they're found in their habitat, okay? And for that tail, she actually has the ability to leave it behind her. So if a predator were to grab onto it, she can drop her tail off, and she can actually cut off the blood supply as well. And what's going to happen is that animal that tried to eat her may also be kind of busy eating up her tail while she has a chance to run away. And the coolest part is later on, she can actually grow that tail back just like salamanders and starfish can as well. At the museum, her diet is mostly small mice. She eats hard-boiled egg, fruits and vegetables. And one of her really cool behaviors is she likes to hide. So if you look right at what she's doing right now, this is the type of shavings that we put inside of her enclosure. And what she'll do is she will actually hide out underneath those shavings. That is where she feels the most safe. And lastly, Sheila is actually one of our newest animal ambassadors. So she is a new addition to our Discovery Zoo, and we use her lots for programs and being able to meet visitors as they come to the museum. All right, well, thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you guys like these videos, please check out some of our other editions. We will be adding these every day for the next couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much.